bass players. Today we're going to learn how to play the D major scale in 1 octave. Now this scale does involve 1 shift, but it is a pretty simple scale, pretty manageable, and so I don't think you'll have any difficulty with it. We start on the open D string, so we play D, first position E, first finger, 4th finger F sharp, open G, first finger A, 4th finger B, and then you shift up to 3rd position. You're going to do the 2nd finger. So if you've got 2 tapes for 1st and 4th and 3rd position, it'll be the 2nd finger, halfway in between. That is C sharp and then D. And then going down, same fingering, of course. Shift down 4th. So that is your 1 octave D major scale on the bass. Now let's try playing it with a beat. 2 beats per note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So good luck with your 1 octave D major scale.